Hello everyone, SBC Texas DAS here. I have this fire alarm. I received it Saturday. It doesn't work. That's the problem. And no, the seller, also known as Knickknacks Official, I bought it from him, but it was sticky for some reason. Like I said before in the last video, when I bought the HH54 VP, which is over there, it was very sticky. So I'm assuming USPS is doing some suspicious things with that. Anyways, let's just review this. It didn't work. I talked to the seller, he refunded me. He was very nice. Honestly, he is very nice. But yeah, once I get this going, it's gonna be very intense. I'm telling you, very intense. As for the other one that I bought, that it just came here, like I think last Friday. But yeah, I'd give credit to the seller because he is very nice. Even though he took $7 from me, I'm playing. I really don't care about that $7. He deserved that $7. But anyways, it has 3 letters on it. One LED that flashes. I think it's a LED, I'm not sure. And the speaker, I took it apart and it was sticky. So USPS, I'm onto you. Anyways, this is a model PC2WL. His packaging was not that bad, honestly. Sorry, it's a mess. I'm still fixing stuff. Let me make sure. Let me make sure I don't leak anything. What's in Mexico? That's where I originate from. I don't know where it went. I mean, I'm about to show you all the packaging. Here's the packaging. The tape and the normalized addresses and stuff is over here. I just don't want to leak it. But yeah, this is the packaging. It's not that bad, honestly. I don't want to leak the person's address. So yeah, as you can see, it's kind of like there. So yeah. And yes, it shows my name. Oh, I accidentally showed his address. I'm gonna edit this and I'm gonna blur it out. So yeah, I'm gonna do all that stuff. Yeah. It's my new final one.